Hello everyone, I am Fardin Ahmed, Mans Tech developer. Today I will discuss about two most common questions of Express.js. First one is why we used next function in middlewares and what will happen if we don't use it. Next function is basically used to pass the control to the next middlewares or to the next route handlers. Let me explain about what is middleware. Middleware is a function which runs when a request hits to the server. It may do many things like verify user login, role checking, modify the request, then many more authorizations. When the middleware finishes its work, then we have to decide what will we do next. So here we call next function at the very end of the middleware to move the control to the next routes. Now a question may come, what will happen if we don't use the next function in the middleware? What will happen if we don't use it in our middlewares? The request will start at the middleware. Express will not run the next steps code, and we cannot send response to the client. So using next function, we are telling Express to move the code. We are done to move the code to the next route. So in short, calling next function means pass the request to the next middlewares or to the next route handlers. And the second question is, how do I create a centralized error handling middleware in our server? So in Express.js, centralized error handling middleware is used to handle the errors in one place instead of handling them in every route. Using this middleware makes the code base clean and easier to manage. In an Express application, errors may happen anywhere in any route. So instead of handling them separately in every route, we can use this centralized error handling function, which is called global error handler. So this function, this middleware takes usually 4 parameters: request, response, next, and error. When any error happens, we can pass error information by using next to the error. The middleware is placed at the very end of all route, that if any error happens in any route, that can catched by the middleware and send response to the client. For asynchronous functions, we basically use try catch. In the catch block, we catch errors, so we can pass the error to the centralized error handling middleware by using next. Using this middleware, we can avoid server crash and send a safe response like internal server error to the client. In short, centralized error handling middleware or global error handling middleware. In short, the global error handling middleware or centralized error handling middleware is used to catch the errors and handle the errors in one place instead of handling them in every route. So thank you. That's all for today. Goodbye.